Hi, I'm Antoine, and today I'm going to show you how to connect an external exchange account into your Quadency account in just a few clicks. First, head to your dashboard and click on Switch Account. At the bottom of the open menu, click Add Account. You will see that currently Quadency supports different types of external accounts. For manual entries, you will have to manually add transfers into your account and you won't be able to trade. For exchange accounts, we currently support two types of accounts. First, normal exchange account like Binance, AX, and other partner exchanges, where you can trade via the terminal, but also run bots. Additionally, we support monitor-only exchanges like Bitflyer or FTX. On those exchange accounts, you will not be able to run bots or trade, simply to monitor your entire portfolio. Today, to show you how it works, we are going to connect a Kucoin account. No matter which exchange you want to connect, you will always be required to connect two elements, an API key and a secret key. Some exchanges also require a passphrase, which is some kind of password for your API keys. And then you can also configure, as you can see right now, your account label. We'll do that later. So, to learn how to connect an account, simply head over our support, and you will see in the Getting Started section the list of support articles to find how to get your API keys. But today we'll look at how to connect a Kucoin API keys. So let's head over to Kucoin. First off, you need to create an API key. And for all the exchanges, usually it's under your profile. Then here, simply create API. First off, you will have to name your API. Here, let's say this API will be Quadency Video. Then, only for Kucoin, you need to set a passphrase, which is, remember, a password for your API key. The next step will always be the same, which is to set up the restrictions for your API. Always enable general or monitor, and then add trade to make sure you can trade from Quadency. For IP restriction, simply select No. Then click Next. On certain exchanges, you will be required to add additional information for security verification. That could be a trading password, an email verification code, or a 2FA code. When you're ready, just click Confirm. And that's it, you have created your API keys. As you can see, you have a name, a key, and a secret key. All you need to do now is to copy your key into your Quadency account. Now go back to Kucoin, copy your secret key, which is be careful only shown once. Next, enter your passphrase that you set at the beginning of this process. And then you can add an account label if you want to personalize it. When you're ready, click Connect Account. And that's all. Within a few seconds, up to 1 minute, your account will be connected to Quadency, as you can see right now. You now have an account connected to Quadency and are ready to track your portfolio performance and run bots as well as trading on the Quadency terminal. As always, if you have any questions, the team is always live on Telegram and Discord. You can also reach out to our 24 support team and we'll be happy to help.